to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about something which is really important to me, and I know a lot of you out there must be having this question when you start into this fitness follow thing or a regime, or you are just someone who is procrastinating sitting somewhere के आज शुरू करे कि मंडे से शुरू करे कि अगले वीक से शुरू करे. So for all those out there, I have these 5 quick questions that I'm going to answer today, and I hope that will be really helpful when you're starting out or you just want to make it as a habit or anything of that sort. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. So the topic I've chosen today is workout habits versus workout goals. Now what does that mean? So basically, when you make a goal, okay, I have to achieve this much, you become a little bit more laid back. What I mean by that is, when you achieve that goal, you tend to stop. Like if you have a goal of say 50 kgs in 2 months, 3 months, once you achieve that, you tend to become more laid back towards your whole health and workout and whatever, eating healthy, diet and everything. And that results to you gaining the weight that you have lost. And what does workout habit means? So having a habit of working out daily, maintaining a regime, or at least doing some kind of activity on a daily basis helps you maintain that weight that you have lost during your goal period. Now the 5 questions today that I have are listed down with me, and I'm going to read the first question and I'm going to answer it simultaneously. So the most asked question is, if only workout will help me lose or maintain that weight, or do I have to do a certain kind of a diet, or do I have to follow a certain kind of diet, and all these questions. Now this is what I have learned through the years and a lot of trial and error, is that workout alone does not help, having a diet alone does not help. Everything goes hand in hand. Now as per the diet is concerned, diet does not have to be always something that a nutritionist suggests, but you can go with your daily ghar ka khana. And when it comes to workout, it has to be something either you go on an extensive side or you prefer to do it daily for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I know a lot of us go to work or we have morning schools. All of these are there, but then you need to take that extra 15 to 30 minutes out in your hand to get going and get started with that workout every day, daily basis mein. And what that does is it makes workout a habit. We all know that our body tends to get acquainted with what we do with it every day. If you get up at 7 and you do that continuously over the years, you'll get in habit of getting up at 7. So that is how workout also works. When you do workout daily, your body gets the habit of working out daily, and even if you skip 1-2 bar, it does not concern your body, because you are in that shape and mind that you can give your body rest and you can skip that workout for some days, I would say. But then again, coming back to the topic, I would say that daily workout is necessary. With that, having a healthy diet, binging sometimes, eating unhealthy sometimes, everything goes hand in hand. You don't have to go extreme, don't go hard on yourself. And this is, I have learned it through the trials and errors I have made. Moving on to the next question. What's the difference between having a goal and making it a habit? As I've answered this before also in a little bit more elaborate manner, I would say that having a goal is a short-term achievement, but then making it a habit is maintaining the goal that you have achieved. It is really important to maintain what you have lost and not gain it back and then again set another goal. So for that, what you have to do, you have to work out and have a good diet throughout the week and make yourself acquainted to this whole thing of binging on one day or having cheat meals on a certain day. Mostly it is Sunday for all of us is what I'm assuming. At least for me it is Sunday. There is no other day like Sunday. I'm going to gorge on yummy food and whatever I like. But then the whole week should have a healthy diet supplement that you're getting, and with that a power pack workout. See, this is very simple. You do workout for 15 minutes, you do workout for 30 minutes, you have a lot of time, workout for 45 minutes. Nothing like it. And it does not have to be very extensive कि तुम रोज डंबल लेके रेजिस्टेंट बैंड लेके तुम लग जाओ. No, you can do a 15 minutes of skip, a 15 minutes of run, whatever suits you, whatever you like, you enjoy, and you know you're going to do it for a long period of time. That is how you're going to make workout into a habit. You're going to maintain the goals that you have achieved for your body, for your mind, for your health. And that's the difference between having a goal and making workout as a habit. Know this, it is really important to have it as a habit and not stick to those short period and short time of goals. Next question is really important, and I have heard this a lot of time. I have asked this to many people a lot of time, is how many times should I work out in a week? Is it really necessary to work out every day, or can I take one day off, 2 days off, or how can I do it, or every alternate day bhi chalega kya? So, answering to that question, you need to work out as per you like, honestly. See, for me, I work out every day except for Saturdays and Sundays. Sometimes it is Fridays and Sundays, but Sundays pakka I take off. So it is on me. So similarly, it is on you how many times a week you want to work out. Abhi, I personally would suggest that go for the whole week if you are somebody who is just starting into working out or just starting into following a fitness regime, because what happens is your body needs time to adjust, to make it a habit, to make it inculcate in itself कि नहीं इस body को रोज workout चाहिए, हम रोज workout करते हैं, तो that adjustment takes time. So you should work out daily. Giving one day off, of course your body needs to rest, your muscles need to repair, so that one day off is really important. But other than that, the whole week should be your working out days. If you are somebody who has been following a regime, you can go as per your likes. Every day you want to work out, good for you. Alternate days you want to work out, works. Anything works once you are into that fitness regime and you follow something. But then for starters, I would suggest that go for every day except for one day which your body needs for repair and for that rest. Realistic goals, undermined goals, and overmined goals. Oh my god. Now this is a topic that I have suffered, and when I say that, really I have suffered with this topic, because having goals is one thing, realistic goals, great. But then what exactly is overmined and undermined goals? Now overmined goals are like 5 kgs in a month, 4 kgs in 2 weeks. All these things are really overminded goals, and this can harm your body in a long run. You are not going to maintain that weight because your diet will be rigorous, your workout will be rigorous, your body cannot take that for a long period of time. Short period, theek hai. But what about the long run? What about maintaining those goals? It is not going to happen, believe me. Undermined goals are something like 5 kgs in 5 months, 4 kgs in 4 months, like एक month में 1 kg, no. उससे ज़्यादा हो सकता है, 2 kgs, 2.5 kgs तक you can आराम से lose in a month. I have done that and it's quite easy. It does not tarnish your body or make you like very tired or like क्या यार रोज का हो गया है, ना मैं अच्छा खा सकती हूँ, ना मैं exercise. ये this is not happening. ये नहीं होगा when you have this realistic goals. So that is what is called as undermined goals. Being very lazy कि हाँ 1 kilo 1 महीने में, then you'll be like eating. End of the month you'll work out, you lose that 1 kg. So it's like हाँ 1 महीने में हो गया मेरा 1 kg. But no, again, it's not going to stay with you. It's going to be there for a very short period of time. You're not going to have it for a long run. Realistic goals, on the other hand, are the goals which you are going to plan for a long period of time with maintenance planning. So basically, if you're planning on 5 kgs in 2 months, the maintenance is also planned कि उसके बाद you're going to follow this kind of diet or even healthy eating, and you're going to do this kind of exercise on your daily basis to maintain whatever you have lost, to maintain whatever you have, you know, achieved through this whole 2 months ka process of losing that 5 kg. So that is how realistic goals and all these kind of goals play into this whole workout maintaining and habits. So that brings me to the next question, and the last question is that how to make it a lifestyle and not be stuck with the short term achievements that we have achieved. So basically, when you make workout or you decide to make this your lifestyle, it could be a little tough initially, but believe me, everything is a process, and when it is a process, it does take a lot of going back and forth, sometimes doing it, sometimes not doing it. But what actually matters is how much efforts you're going to put into it. That is really important, that you put in that efforts, you take that extra efforts, getting up 20 minutes earlier than what you used to, and taking up that skipping rope or wearing your shoes and going for a run, or dumbbells, resistance belt, whatever suits you. So making it a lifestyle, again, come back to the efforts that you're going to put. It is not like I have decided I'm going to do it every day and you're just doing it for the sake of it. Your body is not going to give that result, or I would say your body is not going to show you that kind of result, because kidhar na kidhar you're reluctant about it. You're not doing it because you love it, you enjoy it. So start enjoying what you're doing. That is why I told that pick up an exercise that you know you're going to enjoy for a long period of time, and that is how you're going to start making it your lifestyle. That is the stepping stone to making workout your lifestyle. And I think I have been doing that for a long period of time. Like for me, skipping and resistance bands are something that I really enjoy. Like I enjoy it on regular basis. You can tell me anytime and I can use those two things to work out, and I've been doing it for a long period of time, and that is how I have made workout my lifestyle. And that's about it. I think I've answered most of your questions that you must be having while you starting, or you are into it but you don't know if you're going to continue with it, or somebody who is just procrastinating ke aaj, kal or kab. So know that initially it could be a struggle, but then do it slowly, do it aram se. Don't be hard on yourself, on your body, and nothing like that. Don't go hard on yourself, and you will achieve what you have to, what you want to, and what you need to. And on that note, I'm going to end this video. Until next time, bye, take care.